In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to clean threads. And one of you are going to win this. I'm going to ship this to you. It's a DA sander, and then I'm also going to give one of you one of these t-shirts. So I've used tap and die and other methods to clean bolts, and why this is important to have clean bolts in a collision repair, maybe you got some paint, some type of coating, or maybe they're just dirty or a little bit rusty, and these panel bolts, you know, there's not a lot of torque that you need to tighten those. And I've seen where trying to tighten them to get them all the way in and end up snapping the head off. So you want to make sure that all your threads are nice and clean whenever you're putting, you know, panels back on a fender, door, or, you know, whatever part that you have. And I saw this, and they have thread cleaners, and this is the fastest way I've seen. And this is a metric. The blue is metric, and the standard is red. But all you have to do is get the bolt and find which one this goes in, like that right there. And you can use a ratchet or a wrench or whatever, or you got a power tool, you can use that. And have that on there good. So all you got to do is you can put it in a vise and hold it, or you can hold it with one of your hands, and you just put it on there and you just tighten it up. Like that. Once you have it, tighten it, loosen it back out, and now you have nice clean threads in there. And now you don't risk, whenever you're tightening it up, having to get it too tight because of all the stuff in these threads and twisting the head off. And if you've ever twisted a head off, you know that is such a pain to try to get that out of there, you know, using easy outs or whatever you have to do to get this stud that's left in there out. That is a lot of work. So anyway, this is a quick and simple method, and I thought I'd share this with you. So there you have it. That is the quickest way that I know of to clean threads so you don't have problems later. Okay, I said I was going to give 2 things away, but actually I'm going to give 3 things away in this video. The first person to comment and mention how they would use this to clean threads and what uses you would have for it, the first person that puts a comment down there, I'm going to send you one of these. So comment about this, and the first one's going to get this. The first comment about how you use a DA sander, I'm going to send you one of these. So the first comment I see talking about, you know, how you would use this if you had it, I'm going to send to you, and it's a brand new in the box DA sander. And the first comment I see about wanting one of these t-shirts, I'm going to send you a t-shirt. So be sure and go below and comment, and I'll be sending you something in the mail. And that, my friends, is the Thread Wizard and how to use it. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.